Kama chelo bende to duol noero mar NCIC bende koro jiwo oganda mawuok e boma ma Kisumu mondo oket kwe kindgi ka koro yiero ma bende duong' mobagi tarik 9 dwe mar 8 higani eri okayo machiegni. Jipo ma kamaendi bende koro ne ogol kod komishona mar duol noero Ngire Philip Okundi e kinde koma bende ne giwuotho ka gijiwore kod oganda goeko ma bende wuok e boma ma Kisumu odiochieng' ma kawuono.
Amani milele, amani milele, milele amani.
And let you all with us work together. On the 9th of this month, that is exactly 1 month before elections, all the leaders who are seeking to be elected as president of this country, there are only 4. And those 4, plus also leaders of each political party, they will come and hold 47 torches of peace, which will come from every county in Nairobi, and there they shall declare what is called Peace and Political Decency Charter. They will sign it such that there should never be disruptions arising from the quest for these people to find leadership.
We're here today with the commissioners and team from the NCIC to sensitize the residents of Kisumu on the importance of having peaceful elections. We have been able to reach out to many groups, youths, women, and people in the informal slums, Kondele, Nyalenda, Obunga, where we usually have problems. We have been able to talk to them and we'll continue talking to them. We are out now on a peace caravan or a peace mission to ensure that we are going to have a very peaceful elections. Kisumu is usually regarded as a hotspot, but every effort is being made by members from the NCIC, the National Government Administration, and all peace players have joined hands to make sure that we are going to have a peaceful